Face ID is amazing, whether it is on iPhone or iPad. But if you ever needed to turn off Face ID and disable Face ID on your iPhone, how would you do that? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can turn off Face ID and deactivate Face ID on your iPhone or iPad. In order to turn off Face ID and disable Face ID on your iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to just go to Settings, and once you are in Settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Here you can see Face ID and passcode is available. So tap on that and that will ask you for passcode. Enter your passcode, and once you enter that, this will take you into Face ID and passcode settings of your iPhone. Here you can simply turn off any of these toggles depending upon your requirements, and after that tap continue to turn off Face ID on your iPhone or iPad. And by the way, it is not mandatory to keep all of these settings toggled off. You can also keep some of these enabled. For example, if you want to turn off Face ID only for iPhone unlock, you can do that while keeping others like contactless payments enabled with Face ID. So that way you will be able to turn off Face ID for iPhone unlock while keeping it turned on for more sensitive things like payments and downloads. I hope you found this video helpful in turning off Face ID on your iPhone or iPad. And by the way, if you want to learn how to turn off Face ID for any apps on your iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.